Hello children, a very good morning to all of you. Children, today we are going to do My Alphabet Friends Part 2, pages 9595, 9696 and 9999. Okay, and other reading pages we'll be doing in our online classes. So let's see what is there on the page. So here we have rewrite the paragraph. Okay. So children, you have to copy the same paragraph with the same formation, but you have to write in cursive. Okay. So you have to follow the same pattern, but you have to learn to write in cursive. If there is a capital letter, you will write capital cursive. And if there is a small letter, you will write small cursive letter. Okay. So here red light says stop right away. So that same thing you have to copy in a bracket. Red light says stop right away. Then full stop. Here full stop is not given. If you want to do, you can do it. If you don't want to do, don't do it. Okay. Yellow light mean wait till it turns green. So here Y is capital. So here I have written capital and all the letters are in lowercase. Here in wait W is capital. So I have written capital. Okay. And other letters are in lowercase. So now children, you have to try to write in cursive. So you have to copy the same thing in cursive. Okay. Green light says cross, but please look each way. So here G is capital, C is capital. So here I have written and it is in a bracket. So you also will write in a bracket. Okay. And here at the end, full stop. Okay. Children, try to write with correct formation. This is also the same copywriting. I am a fireman, comma. This is called comma. So here I have written I is capital. So I am a fireman, comma. Here you have to see between each word there is a one finger space. Dressed in red, full stop. So dressed in red, full stop. W is capital. So after full stop there is a capital letter. So with my fire hat on my head, I can drive the fire truck, comma, fight fire too, and help make things safe for you. So here I have written same thing, capital letter in capital and small case in small cursive. Okay. And full stop, comma, everything children you have to write properly. Okay. So try to copy the same thing. And here we have question and answer, the girl and her horse. This girl has a big apple for her horse. So this girl is having a big apple for her horse. The horse likes the apple. This horse likes to eat apple. The girl loves her horse. This girl loves the horse very much. Here the first question is, the apple is for, and here ma'am has given three options. The apple is for the girl, for the horse, or for mom. So apple is for the horse. So you will write the correct answer. So B is the correct answer. So you will write the horse. The girl loves her apple. her horse or her hat? She loves her horse. The apple is dash. Little, big or green? So the apple is big because here it is written this girl has a big apple. Right? So from this story only you have to write the correct answer. First, try to understand the story and then write the answers. So here we have task of the day, pages 9797 and 9898. So it is same, children. You just have to copy the passage, capital letter in capital cursive, small letters in small cursive. Just see the brackets, comma and the full stop and try to write the paragraph with proper one finger space. Okay. And here also, children, you have to find out the answer from the box. I can read simple sentence. So first read the sentence. My cat likes to eat. Likes to the. What cats like? Rat. So you will write here rat. My dad likes his green cap. We can put it in the brown bag. We can hit it with the bat. It is hot. Can we put the fan on? So here first, children, read all the sentence, then you will get the idea that which answer is correct for the sentence. Okay. Can you find it on the map? If we want to find out anything, we search on the map. I like to eat jam. My dad is big and I am little. So these are the correct answer and the answers are in 3-letter words. So you can find it from this and you have to write it down. Right? But you have to write in cursive. Thank you, children. Bye-bye. Take care and finish your work on time and try to write all the paragraph with correct formation.